You're in a class, taking a lecture, and hear someone yawn, and boom, you're yawning too. And then the whole class starts this weird, sleepy chain reaction. This is contagious yawning. But why do we do this? It turns out, this is how your brain socializes. When you see or even hear someone yawn, your brain says, "Let's be tired together." But this is just you being empathetic. According to scientists, the more empathetic you are, the more likely you'll catch a yawn. Early humans used this reflex to sync up group behavior, like it's time to sleep. So it's completely normal to yawn when someone else does. And I bet you're already yawning.